Hey y'all, finally made it back to the boat ramp. Got the kayak all loaded up and whatnot. Just wanted to do a little closing out intro video. Since I wasn't able to earlier, I was so busy. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was able to get on some fish. I went straight artificial, just straight lures. I ended up throwing the leprechaun and the power prawn. Those are my two main lures I ended up using. I was able to get on them with that. And it started getting windy quick, so I ended up calling it short. But overall, it was great. I was able to get on some fish. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. There's a sheephead right there. Oh, there's probably, oh yeah, there's some right here. I think we got some reds right in front. I think we got some. Oh, he bit it. I think he bit it. Oh, there, he's chasing it. He's chasing it. Whatever it was just chasing it. I don't want to. I'm going to go back a little bit, see if I can get myself a little bit of distance. I think we have some reds right here. Oh, nice. Okay, guys. I think we might be able to get on a red. Oh, he's chasing it. He's chasing it, guys. He's chasing it. He's chasing it. Oh, come on. He's chasing it. I don't understand why. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go, y'all. I knew there was one around there. I knew there was a whole bunch. Let's see if I can get myself out of here. I don't want to spook the rest of them. Let's go this way. There we go, guys. So like I was saying, guys, there was like literally a whole school of them right there. I still think there's some there. See if we can get this guy in and see if we're able to get on another one. Whoa, don't do that, buddy. Nice. There we go. That's what we're talking about, y'all. I seen them moving around with all the mullets. I figured there was going to be 1 or 2 redfish in there, and that's exactly how it was. I was able to get them right there in that school. Gosh. Got them with the power prawn, salt strong power prawn, and look at this guy. Come out. Got a nice red. Let's see. So we're going to just throw them back in quick so we can see if we can get out there. Y'all check that blue tail with the 2 spots. He got 1 on the other side. Man, look at that beautiful fish. I'd say he's about 23, 24 inches. So, like I said, let's try to get him back in quick and see if we can end up getting on another one. And there he goes. Like I was saying, I was seeing them all here. I was seeing them move with the mullet, and I think I had gotten a bite earlier, but he didn't really stick to it, so that one did. So let's see if we can get ourselves on another one. Oh, there's the dolphin right there. He's eating right now. Oh, fish on. Oh, he got off. I wonder if that was a mullet. That had to been a mullet. I wonder if that was a mullet. I just got hit. Been staying around here a little bit more than I would have wanted, but I had seen some redfish, some more redfish, and I think we're about to get another one right now. I think there's some redfish hanging with these mullets. Just a matter of time to see if we get one to hit. Oh yeah, see, look, there was just one right there, I think. Yep, I just got hit. So we're about to get one, guys. I'm almost 100% positive, because I just got hit right now. So, yep, there you go. He just hit it up top. He just hit it. Oh, come on, let's go. I'm being a little picky, but I know there's some right there right now, so I just gotta throw him right. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, he hit it. He hit it. He's playing hard to get. There you go. That's it. It's game over. Oh, I told you. Yes. Yes. I knew there was one there. You're just playing hard to get. Yes. Like I said, guys, it definitely paid off. I knew there was one in that little pile. I was getting hit. And there we go. It's definitely a lot bigger than the other one we had gotten. Oh no, not that. So I think I have to try to bring them in like this. Oh yes, guys. There's another one. There's another one. There's more there. There's more there, guys. Let's see if we can get a quick little release. Oh man, it paid off. It paid off being patient. All right, guys. Check him out. Sweet redfish. Whew. That's what we're looking for. Look at all them spots. I think there may be another one in there. Oh, look at that. Look at all these spots on the back. Nice. All right, let's try to get them back out there quick. It paid off just sitting around and waiting for them to get a little bit more comfortable. So hopefully there's some more with the mullets right there right now. So if the mullets are moving, normally the redfish are moving as well. So I'm gonna switch it to this. Yeah, check that out. So it's pretty windy out here. It was only supposed to be about 8 miles, and it's actually a little bit more than that. It's more than 8 miles, but they're out here, so let's see if we can get on another one. There we go. Oh, there we go. Yes. I don't know if this is a mullet or might be just a mullet. I think I snagged a mullet. Yeah, I snagged a mullet. So many here. Nice big mullet. Snagged ourselves a big mullet here. So, maybe I should have snagged this guy, throwing in the piles. I'm trying to see if I can find a redfish. I had caught a redfish with these guys, and I just snagged this one right now. So there you go. Check that out, y'all. It's your mullet. Look like we got a little fighting back there. All right. Those redfish love to hang around those mullets, and when you see them, a lot of times there's redfish around them. But yeah, guys, I've been around the same location right now. I haven't really moved. I had caught 2 redfish here, and I have seen some other ones, so I've just been hanging out around here and just continue to throw in the pile of these mullets, and that's what's been helping out. So I figure I'll keep on doing the same thing, because the wind on picked up, and I know if I go elsewhere, I'm going to be battling to look for fish, especially with this wind right now. It's a lot of wind, and it's getting a little chilly out here, so I'd like to see if I can get at least another one right here, but we'll see. believe I just lost that red. Oh man, that's so freaking trash. Got him, yes. Got him. Got him. Yes. Oh yes, this is what I'm talking about. I think we have a snook here, guys. Oh no, it's a red, it's a red. It's a nice one too. Oh yes. Can't believe he went back and hit it. I think we're on another school of reds, guys. Oh, don't go there. Oh, don't go there. Oh, that's not exactly how I like to lift him. But he's in there. Let's go. Yes. I can't believe this fish came back and hit it, guys. Whew, yes. Guys, check that out. He came back and hit it for the second time. I didn't think he was, but he wanted it. See if I can do this with one hand. Woohoo! Let's go! Yes! Oh man, yes. It's been paying off being at the same location. Like I said, I've been seeing redfish run back and forth through here. The tide is high right now. The wind has picked up, like I previously said, and I've been seeing redfish run back and forth, but weren't able to get any to hit. And it went all around behind the mangoes right now, and it came to this little spot, and look at that, there was one just sitting right there in the barnacles, and he ended up hitting the leprechaun. He hammered that. So let's see if we're able to get on another one. So that makes 3 reds, and pretty much around the same location. I stayed around the same spot. I have not moved, like I said, because they're sitting around here. They're just sitting around here with all these mullets, and they're just feeding off of them, and that's pretty much it. So that's what it's all about, guys. Getting out here and getting these fish.